Mitochondria, the little energy factors of your cell. Most chronic disease comes from damage with your mitochondria. One of the types of autophagy is recycling damaged mitochondria. Cancer comes from damaged mitochondria. So right there, that's a plus point. Secondly, if you have any type of chronic illness, let's say it runs in your family, or maybe you have something brewing in the oven because it takes 15 to 20 years for some of these chronic diseases to manifest, guess what? Autophagy is going to start cleaning that up. Autophagy will also help clean up old intracellular, inside the cell, pathogens. Epstein-Barr virus, certain bacterial type stuff, fungus, mold.